Hi guys, Aviation JFK here, back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a first on the channel. It's going to be an infinite flight video. I'm trying to mix things up a bit on the channel because I've just been posting airport updates quite recently. So yeah, today we're going to be trying to fly an Airbus A380 or land an Airbus A380 in the worst weather conditions on infinite flight. So I hope you enjoy. So right off the bat, I've noticed that this wind is actually terrible. Like, this is impossible. This is going to be very hard. And I have barely played this game, so it is really hard for me to like land this plane. My god. Okay, this just isn't going well, guys. I'm really sorry. You wouldn't trust me on a plane if I was piloting you, but I know I'm just getting used to using the rudder on this, but this plane does not want to turn right. Look at this. I was trying to land on the long runway, but I'll make it seem right. Come on. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Here we go. Oof. Butter. Butter. Come on, we got this, we got this. Okay, I'm not on the runway, so I don't classify that as a landing. So we're going to retry. Okay, so we're going with a similar approach to this one again. The wind won't let me line up, which is really annoying. But I feel like I'm a little bit more lined up for this longer runway than I was before. God, what am I doing? What is this? Okay, it's done, boys. It's over. You know what, I'll just land on the taxiway. Cheeky little smooth touchdown. I'm sure you wouldn't be able to Tokyo drift an Airbus A380. Pretty sick drift. That's just not good, is it?
No, 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 no. You tried it.
I'm not sure if you've noticed the pattern of the exact same approach every single time. But the wind is just like, it's impossible to actually like fly the plane. So you just have to like force it into certain maneuvers and you just have to like roll it around. But this is just impossible, guys. I know I'm a beginner, but like, there's no way you can land that plane without like going off the runway. Alright, I actually think we're onto something here, guys. I actually think we're onto something. Come on. Do not mess. Okay, this has already gone really badly. Okay. You know what? Forget about the runway, just land on the taxiway. Yes. Uh-oh. I know we're a few feet low, but this is definitely the best attempt I've had so far. Because we're actually like straight on the runway. No, we're not, but come on. Butter. Ooh. Okay. Why does it always spin? I'm sure of it. It's gonna happen. I'm definitely gonna land this. It's gonna be a butter landing. You watch. Might be this one actually. You ready? 3, 2, 1, butter. is it always on the taxiway? No, this just, no. No. I'm sorry. There's no way. It was a decent landing, I would say, for the conditions, but I think it's pretty fair to say, with my very in-depth studies, that it is pretty much or near impossible to land an Airbus A380 in these conditions on infinite flight. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this new style of video, this infinite flight video. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I know it's like maybe been getting a bit boring for some of the viewers with all the airport updates. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Signing off.